Hello, excuse me, and welcome back. Let me move on to try and illustrate exactly, what your responsibilities are in this course. We can go right into Learning Unit 1. Um, and just to give you kind of a precursor, remember this is a culmination of your basically what you've learned in the cloud computing program. You're going to represent that here. And basically, I'm going to ask you to demonstrate your ability to understand or represent the cloud computing concepts, like the cloud architecture, the cloud security, automation, project management. All of that's going to be a part of your experience here. So, yes, it'll be, as I said in the first video, it's going to be pretty fast. So please don't hesitate to ask questions, but definitely get started. I do want to let you know that you're going to include things like cloud infrastructure design in your capstone, multi-cloud architectures, cloud security and compliance, DevOps and infrastructure. Any of the as a service or as a code, these are should be a part of your experience. Migration strategies from on-prem, um, cloud native application development, containerization, that is a part of the cloud experience, including orchestration, et cetera, cloud monitoring and operations, even AI and machine learning should be a part of your experience in the cloud. And especially, and not all encompassing, basically, I shouldn't say basically so much, but business continuity and disaster recovery on the security side. So for learning unit 1, a couple things I do want to illustrate, and its importance. So the discussion question, once again, is basically you picking from that list, and I will post some of this information in the announcements as well. So please reference that as you begin to think about what you're going to do. So the discussion question talks about your project topic and title. Please go through that. Um, uh, Include things like cloud technologies you plan to use, um, expected benefits of the solution. This is going to be a part of what you're illustrating. Um, as far as the requirements, you need to create a kind of a report, minimum of 250 words. Um, please use professional writing style and basically support with technical reasoning what you're planning to do. Um, and this is part of the discussion. Basically, you can respond to, I'm going to post a response to the discussion question. You can respond to my initial post, or I do want you to comment on each other's submissions. As far as the assignment, um, so I don't want to confuse the two. The assignment, and it all connects together. The assignment, I do want you to create this project proposal, your project title, project description, and business and technical requirements. This is usually a part of a capstone experience. What do you want the project to accomplish? Answer these basic questions, and how will success be measured? So you are required, and I'm going to, highlight and oversee that. Um, Include things like your technology stack, whether you're using AWS, Azure, the Google Cloud platform, container like Docker or Kubernetes, Terraform, GitHub. All of these should be a part of your report, and that starts with a title page, with the project title, etc. So some examples, essentially, that you would include: cloud architecture design, prototype environment, security plan, documentation, and then your final presentation. So that's what's entailed for Learning Unit 1. Just put that together. And as I said, I will post this summary of requirements for the entire course within the announcements as well, along with these videos. All right. So good luck, and just make sure you get started early and continue.